Very nice.
That was good.
I enjoyed that. I know all those old tunes.
You know all
Yeah,
those old ones?
I grew up on that.
They're the best kind, eh?
They sure are. Yeah.
Who played them?
My dad.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he was an accordion player.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he played professionally for.
I used to play dances. I had to.
Yeah?
I played for dances.
Is that around here locally? Or
In West Seattle.
West Seattle? What's your name?
Elsie Anderson.
Elsie Anderson? Oh, okay. Did you know Al Faber?
Al?
Faber?
No.
Okay.
That was your dad?
Yeah.
Oh.
He played in the Seattle area. We
Uh-huh.
lived in Renton.
Oh, good to know.
Musicians, Local 360, Renton, Auburn, and then the Seattle Union too. But he played all the hotels and all that kind of stuff.
He was good. None of that rubbed off on you, huh?
Yeah, I did for. I didn't play accordion though. I played guitar.
You did.
Yeah.
That added a lot to it, though. didn't
Yeah,
it?
we used to play. Actually, I played with him a lot of times. Yeah, it was fun.
Is your wife play?
No, it's my daughter.
It's your daughter. Well, I have to admit that I'm legally blind,
Oh yeah.
so I don't see faces at all. So she looked like she could have been your wife.
Yeah. Thank you.
I mean,
That makes me feel so young.
younger.
Feeling like a kid again.
Ah,
Really.
well, being legally blind, I make a lot of mistakes now that I never used to make. But I just carry on.
Got a little bit more Thelonious Monk in there now, right? You know, get the. Thanks for playing. We got to run.
Thank
We'll
you.
see ya.